English with Mindfulness ฝึกภาษาอังกฤษทุกวันด้วยคำสอนธรรมะ
A Buddhist monk once asked his students a question. He said, "Imagine you're carrying a cup of coffee. Someone bumps into you and the coffee spills. Why did you spill the coffee?" The students answered, "Because the person bumped into me." The monk shook his head and said, "No. You spilled coffee because coffee was in your cup. If it had been water, you would have spilled water. If it had been juice, you would have spilled juice." Then he explained, "When life shakes you, whatever is inside you will come out. If you hold anger or jealousy, that is what will spill. But if you carry love, compassion, joy, and calmness, then that is what will flow out." So each day, ask yourself, what am I carrying in my cup today?